was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of nothing.
What it do, man? 78 Chevy Board presents the 4th annual Connect and Never Compete Car and Bike Show going down May 31st at the Lander Center in Southaven, Mississippi from 12 to 8. Roll in judging from 12 to 4:30. Giveaways and trophy ceremony at 6 o'clock, man. You do not want to miss it. Big giveaways. Come on out, enjoy the vibes, and have fun. Stay tuned for more details. May 31st. Mark your calendars.
78 Chevy Boy. Up here at Riverdale Tire, man, this morning. Came outside, the element had the tire was low. The tire was low on the element, man, so I was like, dang. So I aired it back up. It was down to 11 pounds, so I aired it back up. Got boss lady to come out and bag the car up while I look at the tire. Sure enough, it's a screw in there, so I came up here to get that plug, because it's like right in the middle of the tread. I'm gonna get that plug. Then my front tire, I noticed it was a nail in that joint. So I told him, like, man, go on ahead and fix both of them. So he fixing, he actually checked the front one. The front one been holding there. So he was like, he honestly don't think it went through. So that's cool too. If it didn't go through, that's cool. So we can go ahead and put that junk. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I love it.
I just got the bill.
Yeah.
So I was thinking about that, and I'm like, do I really want it? So I don't know if I was gonna use it for real.
How much?
I see a lot of people get it.
How much? Yeah. So man, we think this one's straight. So I told him while he already was messing with these two on this side, go on here, swap them out, rotate them. Then rotate my joints on the other side, because I was gonna do it this weekend anyway when I changed my oil. I was gonna do it anyway, so I might as well get them to go and do it. What's your name, boss? B. Yeah, man. This B taking care of me today, man, while I'm up here. Take care of me, man. They always take care of me when I be up here. So they go to screw right there. I know that mother tire, man. My tire was low as a mother this morning. Oh, it's 2 in there? Yeah, damn. Sure live.
That one ain't leaking though. I get it out for you. I hope it ain't go through.
Okay. Yeah, man. What I'm telling y'all gotta take care of your stuff, man. Them tires and brakes, all that stuff, small, but preventative maintenance. Take care of that stuff. See something in your tire. And these tires weren't cheap, man. Ride these, rotate them when I'm supposed to. Ride them as long as I can, because they were not cheap. Real. It's so small, it might have not went through. Think it cool? Alright. Yeah, man. Up here at Riverdale Tire and Auto on Riverdale right here by Holmes Road. Good element, man. Still got the good meat on the brakes. be back, man. He gonna throw that one on. And then the other side, I told him to go ahead and rotate the other side too. Rotate them joints. And I'll be good on the rotation. Change that oil. I change my oil every 3,500 miles in this joint. You know that I be in them forums, in them groups, the element groups, man. Some of them people be going 5,000 miles, 7,000 miles. I don't care if I am running synthetic. 3,500 my max. It's my max. Sometimes I change it at 3. Yeah, bro. I used to cut with a wrong shop. I got my own spot now. This joint went down on me. Huh? Oh, I look in the I think it's 34 or something. Huh? Yeah, you put 35 in there. You heard me? Okay.
So I just caught the other two off at 37. That one was like at 32. The one you said Mike, it was like at 32. I put that one on 37. The other one was like at 30. But that one even 30, like 32, so I put it back at 37.
So all on 37 now. Okay. I appreciate you, bro. All right. Y'all see it, man. Got me right, got me back on the ground. Rotated, ready to ride, man. I rotate them joints every other oil change. That's when I rotate the tires. So finna get on my phone, get in my notes, and put it down to rotate them. The oil change after, not this oil change I'm finna do, cause that go with this rotation, but the oil change after the next one. Yeah, cause I ain't gonna rotate them the next oil change. Yeah. Got me right, man. Got me back on the ground. Time to ride. Did you get my dang on? Yeah, he gave it to me.
Hey, Rob!
Y'all got a garbage can, right? I see it. Nah, I ain't gonna do that, man.
I'm a 7,